Alright, good news everyone. We're making a special birthday surprise for my girl Amy. We're making her some candied bacon roses. So, let's have some fun. First we need to grease a pan to put the roses in. We need a bowl to mix the stuff in. The bacon, obviously. Some brown sugar. And some maple syrup. Alright, now we have a full pack of center cut bacon, 1 pound. I was gonna make 12 of them, but there's 13 in here, so I'm making them all. I want one too. Then we add a little bit of brown sugar. Supposed to do, I suppose, 2. Let's do 3. 3 of those. Alright, we're taking this real maple syrup. And we add, let's see. Let's just use all of it. I'm almost out. Now that we got the brown sugar and the maple syrup in there, all we gotta do is mix this up. So now I gotta try to do this one-handed, and then I'm gonna pause, and I'll be right back when it's done. Alright, now I got all the bacon mixed up with that brown sugar and the maple syrup. What we're gonna do is now roll these up from end to end. So what we're gonna do is we take these, ooh, nice center cut bacons, and then twist it over the top with this. And just roll it up. Try to keep one side all nice and pretty. You want one side to be like this, you know, not too much level. This one's not too bad either. And just place it right there. Alright, and we'll continue on with some more bacon. Alright, so now that this is there, we pinch it towards us. Start, God, this one, this for center cut bacon, this one's pretty shabby. Alright, there we go. Second one. See, that one looks nice. That one looks kind of shabby, so we'll put that side down. There we go. Alright, there we go. We got some bacon roses. Nice and 1, 4, 8, 12, yeah, 13 bacon roses. So now what we do, we take the oven, place these in the oven at 325. You want it to be cold so it warms up with the oven, so it helps render out the fat, makes it a little bit more crunchy. Nice. And then check it for 25 minutes, and you want it to go until it looks nice and done. We'll be right back. Alright, now we place it in the oven. The cold oven. Take that, and that was set at 325. Alright, this is how they're looking after 30 minutes. I think about another 5 minutes. See that little bacon right there? It's still a little fatty. About another 5 minutes. 35 minutes in total so far. This is about how they should look. You can give it a little bit crispier if you want to. It's all good, however you like your bacon. As little or as long as you want. Alright, I'll show you once it's plated up.